to stay. When I saw you yesterday, I'm not wasting your time, I'm not playing no games. I see ya. Who knows the secret tomorrow will hold? We don't really need to know. Cause you're here with me now, I don't want you to go. You're here with me now, I don't want you to go. Maybe we're perfect strangers, maybe it's not forever. Maybe the light will changes, maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away, maybe we'll realize we're only human. Maybe we don't need no reason. Maybe we're perfect strangers, maybe it's not.
Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi nih sama kami. Sekarang kita lagi ada di kilometer 0
Indonesia. Oke, ini dia.
Pesona alam guys.
Ini dia.
Sarangnya.
Sekarang.
Sananya.
Selamat menikmati bersama Ibu Falala. Ini juga. Halo.
Hai.
Yuk kita lanjut jalan lagi. Ayo, let's go.
Jangan lupa ikutin terus vlognya.
Dharma Channel ya. Ini dia pemirsa. Kita saksikan lagi kilometer 0 Indonesia. Tanah air kita. Ya, lautnya. Kilometer 0. Hai. Ya. Ini kemari. Ya. Oke, ini dia kilometer 0 Indonesia, di mana letak pertama negara kita yaitu Indonesia tercinta. Ini dia 0 kilometer Indonesia. Silakan dijaga, jangan dirusak Indonesianya. Ini dia. Oke, banyak wisata. Karena ini lagi libur, banyak souvenir juga. Bagi yang belum, silakan. Ini dia cara. Oke deh, sana dulu.